I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick style. I am in between retwists, but I want it to still look decent because I just washed my hair. This is freshly washed hair. It's towel dried. The ends are definitely still damp. And I just put it up in a bun so it wasn't dripping down my back. Here's a length check for y'all. But it's still kind of wet. It is almost at bra strap length. And that has been my ultimate goal since I started my lock journey. So I'm excited. But yeah, we're gonna do a little throwback type style. If you see me looking this way, it's because the mirror is here. You guys are to the side. But I want to give you guys up close and personal views of exactly what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm in between retwists. So not all of my hair has unraveled fully. Like the back for the most part is always still intact. It's the front, and that's due to my line of work, my job. I always have to wear a hat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like bang pieces. I was thinking about it, and I think I was actually gonna do the outside ones instead because I usually do the front too. But if I have bangs, I don't want them like this, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do them, and I think I'm gonna do these. So I actually think I'm going to, no. So I'm gonna section my hair. And I'm going to separate the front and the back, and then we'll get into this style. If you already see the title, I mean, by the title and by the cover, you can see what style I'm doing, but let's just get into it.
I'm so cozy.
Let's get into the style. I'm gonna section off by row. So for the most part, my parts are still pretty clean. But we're going to, actually, before we get into that, let's spray my roots because they're way more dry. Then the length of my hair, because my roots just dry real quick. That's just what they do. And this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water by As I Am. I love their products. I was definitely like an As I Am girl when I was loose natural. One thing I want to get into is rose water for my skin and my hair. But yeah, that's a story for another day. So I'm gonna pull my weed. Okay, now that we have separated the hair that needs to be separated, I'm gonna kind of clean my part up a little bit. All that I know it was inside me. It recognized you. Please don't deny me.
set me up, bitch don't set me up. I'm with Tyler Young, he ride like the car, and she weak, like won't Vicky. Oh my God, that was not tick.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments if there are any other styles that you would like for me to try to give you a tutorial on. And that is it for today's video. I am in love with this style. As you guys seen from the clip before this, the final look turned out exactly how I wanted it. And it's a quick little style for the weekend. I definitely would not recommend anyone keeping this in too long because you can mess up the parting of your locks, but it's a good weekend look. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.